Draw an ellipse by general method. Given distance of focus from directrix 55 mm and eccentricity is 2 by 3. Also draw normal and tangent on the curve at a point 50. So first to draw directrix line. Name of A to B line is a directrix any dimension. Mark the center point of this line. This is the center point of this line, and draw one more line is called to axis line C to D any length. So distance given to from the directrix to focus is 55. From center point C, mark is a 55 distance. So this is a point F is called to focus. How much distance from C to F? 55 mm. So C to F is a divide equal 5 parts. 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So divide equal 5 parts. Point of vertex distance is 2 from the focus point. 1 division, 2 division. So mark point here is a vertex point. Next, draw the vertex point is a vertical line, and V is the center point and VF is the radius. Draw one point, arc. So this point is E. C to E join by the line and extend. From V point to D point, divide number of parts of this line any radius as always. So given to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Next, when draw the vertical line. Draw the vertical lines. Here is a point 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5. So next point is a cut arc. Cut arc both direction. This is a radius, this is a arc. So cut arc both direction. Next 2 to 2 dash is a radius, center point F, cut arc both direction. Next 3 to 3 dash is a radius, center point F, cut arc this direction. So on up to all points. 4 to F is a radius, F is a center point, cut arc on the same line. So mark this cutting point joined by the one curve, freehand curve is called, this curve is called to ellipse. Next point is a also draw normal and tangent at a point 50 mm from the focus. So take is a radius is 50 mm and center point F, cut one arc of this side, then side of this side, then side of this side. So I am taking here this side. So mark is a point here and joined by the line, straight line. This point on F point, draw the one more line is a 90 degree up to directrix. This line is a 90 degree up to directrix. So this point, last point or to starting point joined by the line is called, this is a tangent. This is a tangent. On this point is a draw one more line, a perpendicular is called to normal. This is a tangent and draw perpendicular is called to normal. So now this is a solution of this question. Please note down. Thank you.